Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Liz Yummy Center, and today we are making vegetable rice. It's very yummy and very easy to make. Remember, you can serve this with beef stew or chicken stew, anything that you like. So guys, without so much further ado, let's get started. Now for us to make our vegetable fried rice, I have the red bell pepper here, I have the green peas that I've already pre-boiled, the grated carrots and the green bell pepper, and then I have my basmati rice here. Now I'm going to boil the rice. When I'm cooking my rice, I'm going to add the cumin seed and then one bay leaf just to get that aroma of bay leaf. I'm going to cover it and let it cook for 10 minutes and then I'll drain the water. Now after 10 minutes the rice is ready and I've already drained the water. It's not that cooked, it's half cooked. So I'm going to fry the ingredients before I add the rice. I'm going to add the vegetable oil inside the pot. I'm going to add the onions. The red bell pepper, the green bell pepper, adding the green peas, then the carrots, now I'm going to add the rice that already pre-cooked on top of the vegetables. I'm going to add the golden yellow food color. I'm going to cover it and let it simmer for 10 minutes under low heat. Just mix it using a fork. And guys, that's how easy it is to make vegetable rice. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Until my next video, bye.